Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, and in this video we shall be looking at how to get the 1 or 2 MESSI rating. Most people have the MESSI at 101, so in this video I'll be showing you guys to progress your MESSI and get him to 102. As you can see, he works on various managers on different playing styles, maintains 102 rating. So let's get into this video and see how we can progress our MESSI to 102. Okay guys, so first thing we're going to do is to craft our MESSI, because the booster is what makes it go to that rating. So the first thing we're going to go to the booster crafting, and when we get to the booster crafting, our second booster, we have to make it strikers instinct. If you don't know how to do this, I'll show you in another video how to do this, but make sure you get your MESSI to the strikers instinct booster. Okay, so after getting your MESSI to the strikers instinct booster, now let's go ahead and train the MESSI. So let's level train this MESSI, and let's use this. Alright, so this is how we shall train our MESSI. We're going to go for 5 here, then here we're going to go for 3, and here we're going to go for 9, and then here we are going to go for 8, and the last one 8. So we're going for 5, 3, 9, 8, 8. As you can see, has good ball movements, nice curl and set piece. Speed is also good because you're going to be using him at attacking midfield, so kicking power and his balance is good. It's good to be hard to know. And here we go. So let's move on MESSI from here and add it to the team. Yeah, there you go. 102 MESSI. So his stats also quite good. Nice ball control, dribbling, tight possession, 93 set piece and curl, then acceleration. So always make sure you get your MESSI to the strikers instinct. You can craft it manually or you can try as many times